Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my students at home. I believe you are keeping safe and I will protect us. Yeah, we have another topic now today. It's another week. Statistics. And I said statistics is a branch of mathematics that deal with collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of numerical data. Collection of data, organization of data, analysis of data, interpretation of data, and presentation of numerical data. That is what statistics means. What is that data itself? Data is the actual piece of information collected for specific purposes. The information collected from people or from someone for specific purposes. For example, the ages of students in a class. Just go to a class, you want to know the age group in that class. Just tell the class captain or ask them to stand up to start mentioning their name. You start writing them down. You are collecting data like that. The marks of students in a test. You give them a test now. You just go to that class. You want to know the performance in that test, or you want to know if students have gotten that topic. You give them test, ask them to mention their scores. So you are collecting data like that. You can now analyze the data. Okay, have they gotten it? If it's for organize the data, have they gotten it? Oh no, this performance is not encouraging. We have to just repeat the topic. Oh yes, they've gotten it well. Let's move ahead. The months of birth of students in a class. Okay, you stand up. How old are you? Your age like that. That's for the age of student. The month of student. Which months were you born? January, February, January, March, April, February, January. As they keep mentioning, you keep recording it. You are collecting data like that. Sales of products in the market. You want to know which toothpaste is moving fast now. The one that sell most. Just ask them to stand up. Like, which toothpaste do you use? This one said Maxam. Okay, so Sensodyne, Oral-B, Maclean, Close Up. You are collecting data of the toothpaste they use in their home. Okay, this is what they use. Maybe you want to open a store now. You want to buy toothpaste. Which one can you buy more? Is it Maxam or Colgate? Is it Sensodyne or Oral-B? So you collect data from people to make decision, for planning. So purpose of data collection. Why do you collect data? The purpose. Data help us to analyze business decision. Just like I said now. Okay, I want to be selling this thing. I want to be selling foodstuffs. Which one can I buy more? Is it noodles or spaghetti? Is it spag or macaroni? Are you getting it now? You want to be selling toilet soap. Which one do people use most? You have to just do survey, collect data. Okay, this is what they use most. This is what I buy most. But if you just buy what people did not use, it will just be expire in your store. So it helps to analyze business decision. 2, it helps in planning. It helps in planning to plan for future. It helps to predict. Okay, with this information I've collected, that means okay, this is what will happen. It happens. So you predict. Types of data collection. Types of data. How do you collect data? We have 3. Data can be collected using 3 main types of survey. Census survey. you do head count. Like I said the other time, you entered class. Okay, what did you get? You 5, 8, 10, 6, 10. You do census, you count them like that. Or sample survey, you just pick. Okay, okay. Sample, you just use the sample, you don't use general something. Okay, and this one, okay. You will not use the entire population. Or administrative data. Okay. Go to that company, collect information there. So that's administrative data. Yeah, data analysis. You've collected data and I want to analyze your data. Data analysis is the process of arranging, transforming, modeling of data with the goal of discovering useful information. So you want to collect data, the steps, you just define the question given to you there. Stay clear about your main priorities. Collect data, analyze data, then interpret the results. Now, let's look at some example here. In a class of 40 students, in a 5 rows of 8 students each, the class captain recorded the month of birth of students in the class as shown below. As you can see, we have 5 rows there. You just start mentioning their month of birth: April, February, September, December, April. You have the raw data like that. You've collected the data raw like that. What do you do with this? You just be looking at it. Oh, what's the meaning of all this now? No. What do? You want to analyze it. You arrange it. The process of arranging. You arrange it. You transform it. You model it. How do you do all that? You have this now. So this is the question asked from it. Which month is the most popular birthday month? How many students were born in the month of November? List the month in which 4 students were born. List month in which 2 students were born. List the month in which 1 student was born. Then solution. What do? You just go to frequency table. You use tally method. Look at this, there are the months there. You pick a month, you put a stroke. The month of January. Tally, you put 2 stick. The frequency is 2. February 2, frequency 2. March 3, the frequency, on and on. And you must, so that to avert mistake, this frequency, you have to add them together. When you add them, it must give you the total population. For example, look at this one now. 2 plus 2, 4, plus 3, 7, plus 4, 11, plus 2, 13, 14, 17, 21, 30, 32, 36, 40. Now you know that you are correct. So now go back to the question there. Which month is the most popular month? When you look at it, the one that has 9, that is what? September. You can see it now. The question 2, how many students were born in the month of November? Just quickly go there. 6. Can you see it now? Question 3, list the month in which 4 students were born. Just look at it. April, August, April and August. As you can see. List month. Number 4, list month in which 2 students were born. In which 2 students were born, go to a frequency table. January, February, May, October, and December. January, February, May, October, and December. The last question there. List the month in which only 1 student was born. Which month is that? June. Can you see it now? So that is just that about you've analyzed the data now. You've reformed it. Okay, you can see that you've worked on the data now. Let's look at question 2. Below is the result of mathematics test in Js1 class. You gave them mathematics test in Js1 class. Okay, you want to now know the general performance. You want to analyze the data now. This is the raw data. Use the student score 4, 7, 5, 9, 8, 7, 7, 5. It may not have meaning like this when you just what's the meaning of all this now? What are you going to do with this figure? But how do you present it? You first of all analyze it. You analyze it. So what's the highest score there? You look at the question. So the first thing you do when you want to analyze, just do frequency table. What's this? The smallest score there? I think it's 3. You start from 3. You have 4, 5, 6 till 9 or 10. Now to tally now. And people score 3, just so 1. How many 4? 2. How many 5? 3. How many score 6? 1. How many scored 7? 5. How many scored 8? 6. How many scored 9? 2. Now go back to the question there. What is the highest mark in the test? Highest mark. You can see that. See, is it? These are the marks there. The highest one there is what? Is 9. Question 2. How many students scored the highest? We said 9 is the highest. How many students now? You can look at it. 2. 2 students. You can see it. Number 3. What is the modal score? The score that has the highest number. That's what you mean by modal score. It is what? The modal score is 6. That is, most people got 6. How many people failed the test? The people that got below average, which is 5. You can see that. Someone got 3. One person got 3. 2 person got 4. So these are the people that failed it. Or just add them together. 1 plus 2, it is 3. People that failed the test, they are what? They are 3 students. With this, what is the performance in the test? If you look at it, we have 2 that got 9. 6 people got 8. 5 people got 7. 1 people got 6. If you look at it, 6, 7, 8, 9, add them together. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. That means 14 passed very well out of 20. So, and you can still add 5, making 17. So the general performance here is what? Is very good. So that is, you can see that you've collected the data now, you've analyzed it, and you've done everything now. You've presented it. This is where we are going to stop today. I want to believe you enjoyed the class. Next class, we'll do more of this. You can see that statistics is very sweet. You can see it. You like the class. So next class, we'll move to the next subtopic. So you go to assignment page to do your assignment. I want to see the assignment. I want to see that you've gotten it very well, so I will know what to do. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.